Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today in this video I'm gonna show how to hide or show hard disk, external disk, CDs, DVDs, iPods and connected servers on macOS desktop. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. And now, let's begin. To hide or show hard disks, external disks, CDs, DVDs, iPods and connected servers on a macOS desktop, launch the Finder preferences from the Finder menu or hit the Command plus comma key on your keyboard. Under the General tab, check or uncheck items you either want to be shown or hidden, respectively. And as you can see, the method works perfectly. So, that was it. Hope it was useful. Consider like for the video, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, just comment down below. Thanks for watching, and have a great day ahead.